Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart walkthroughs and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly website builders, which is Showit. Whether you're a photographer, a creative entrepreneur, or just someone looking to build a stunning website without touching a single line of code, Showit might just be the perfect platform for you. So we will walk you through everything you need, from setting up your account, choosing a template, customizing your pages, to publishing your site live. We will walk you through it, all of it step by step. So, if you are ready to turn your vision into a fully functional and beautiful website, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Showit. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. But of course, we all know that the better option is to click the Create Your Site. From here, you need to enter your email address. And then just follow the on-screen instructions, alright? Once you've done that, you should be able to log in without any problems. After doing so, you will be forwarded here, wherein this is going to be the main landing page once you have successfully created your account. Right now, it's very intuitive, it's very easy to use, it offers a clean UI. You have the homepage, accounts, subscription, referrals, messages, integrations, and a lot more. Now, from here, there is a button on the center that says Edit My Website. This is the first thing that we need to do right after we successfully log in, because that would forward us to the website builder. Now, in this stage, you need to choose a design that blends and reflects your brand or identity. For example, we have something like for the memories, Monstera, and it's up to you. Basically, the design is dependent on your preferences. Now, in my case, let's say I am going to be using the optimal performance. Maybe I like this a lot. So we're going to choose that. And as you may notice, you have the ability to check the mobile responsiveness and as well as the desktop, because it offers a different views. So you want to make sure that you have an intuitive website that would capture audiences and leads. Okay, so if everything goes smoothly, you'll feel that this is going to be the template that you can use here and Showit. I want you to click the Start with this design. Now we are going to the website editor. Okay, so I'm not gonna follow through the 6 steps. Instead, I'm gonna click on X, and then you will have somewhat like a dialog box. Okay, just a few reminder. Now I'm gonna X this button right here, and then you see you can customize all of these at your own pace, at your own preferences, because the tools is in the left side area of our navigation bar. You have the header right here. Okay, so we can edit this one right here. Okay, so let's edit the text. For example, in this case, I am going to be using maybe how to use Showit. Okay, not only that, you have the ability to change the font style, make it bold. If you want to underline, you have the ability to do so. And then you can also drag this dependent on your preferences. All right, so maybe let's say we're going to be putting it right here, and I don't want to. Now you see here, this is going to be like your layers. If you do that, if you are familiar with the layers in some editing tools like Photoshop, maybe Canva, this is where you realign these tags. All right, as you may notice, you can center the position to a canvas right here if you want. But if you don't want this, kind of like if it's like intervening with your intention, you can do so by deleting that. Okay, and then there is an option here on the canvas background. If you click on it, you have the ability to create an image. If you want to maybe add a new image, you can do so. All right, or say for example, in this case, if you want to add an animation, you can do that. Let's say the canvas is maybe fade, and this one is going to be like custom. right? So maybe font, and you can have the canvas out as maybe flipped. Now you also have the ability for the view transitions for scroll actions if you have wanted to do that, if you wanted to have more control. And if you feel that it's okay, just click the preview button. That would forward you to the site preview. All right, so once you've done that, drag your cursor right here, and if you are happy, just hover down below. Let's say that's for the desktop view. How about we go for the mobile to see the responsiveness? Okay, hover your cursor down. Let's see if it's working. So I believe we're successful in creating a perfect creative website using the template from Showit. So I'm gonna exit this for now. I'm gonna make sure that this is edited. Say for example, how to use Showit. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that it's evenly placed, and then after previewing that, you have the ability to now very quickly. I am going to the preview button. Want to make sure that everything is in place. So we have that. So right here, so I'm good. So for you to be able to publish your website, this step is very crucial and very important. All right, because you need to subscribe to their plan. Why? Because the editing the website is really free. All right. However, for you to be able to publish it live, it requires a subscription plan. So for that to happen, you need to click the subscribe button here. Okay, that would forward you to the specific page. Now you need to confirm your email before subscribing because that is very important, right? And as you may notice, if you go to the homepage of Showit, you also have the ability for the third-party integrations. If you want to connect your Instagram account, you can do so here with Showit so that you can display your Instagram media on your site. If you want to connect it, it's very easy. Click the Connect Instagram. But again, it's very important for you to subscribe so that you can publish your website without any problem. And again, if you feel that if you wanted to create more media in a graphics here in Showit, just go back to your website. And if you wanted to add a new page, it's very simple. This is going to be your site. These are going to be the layers like site settings right here. You can choose a favicon, choose an image, site language, custom domain. If you want to have a custom domain, you can do so. But again, I told you before, you can publish right here, publish URL. You need to subscribe to the plan. But if you want to show this to your client for just a draft kind of work for feedback and approval, you can do so and show the URL link. All right, that's going to be the URL link for you. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on creating your own stunning website with Showit. If you're looking for a flexible and visually driven website builder that gives you full control over your design without the headache of code, Showit is absolutely worth trying. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Do not forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tech and design guides. And of course, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions about Showit or need help with your site setup, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.